I'm Radley Moss, Senior Director of Communications at Sema4. We're here today to talk about Sema4 and BioSymetrics' partnership. I'm delighted to be joined by Eric Schadt, founder and CEO of Sema4, and Anthony Iacovone, who is the co-founder and CEO of BioSymetrics. So Eric, maybe if we can just start with you. Can you talk a little bit about what you expect the impact of this partnership to be when it comes to advancing drug discovery?
So what Sema4 has with its Centrellis platform, a big data discovery engine, where we've taken literally millions of patient records, lots of molecular data, achieving a better understanding of disease, and also what are the right points of therapeutic intervention for different diseases. What we lacked was experimental platform to help us take those things we could identify from our data and progress them. And so what we get with the partnership with BioSymetrics is not only an information savvy company, but a company with a screening platform that can take discoveries we make jointly and kind of advance them along the drug discovery process in hopes of getting to novel therapeutics for rare diseases and beyond.
Anthony, maybe if you can just add to that and talk a little about how this partnership is different, what else is being offered on the market when it comes to drug discovery.
Yeah, absolutely. I think unlike some of the other companies that are AI-driven, Recursion, Valo, and Citro, we're really taking a deep look at human biology. Alongside of that, we're using some machine learning to really interrogate and understand everything and anything we can about human biology. On the experimental side, as Eric said, we're really taking an in vivo first approach. We've seen many others selecting to look at human cell lines. We think the in vivo approach offers a better angle and really offers better translation in the long run. I think data is key to this relationship if you look at the combined entities. So you've got about 23 million patient records between the two companies, probably over 1 million genomes that we have access to. And then you have on the experimental side, millions of data points coming out of our labs as well. So we're combining those things using advanced machine learning. And again, in the long run, providing better translation.
And Anthony raised a good point. It's taking, not just an in vitro or recursion approach of high content screening through experimental organisms, model organisms, but it's taking all of the human data, knowledge derived from that, the models derived from that, and interpreting that high content screening information with human informed models that we believe will provide a differentiated, set of targets to move forward.
Yeah, and one step further, if you look at what we're doing within our phenograph, right, we're connecting human biology all the way across the spectrum to, small organism in vivo biology, where we can actually interrogate that small organism in ways that we couldn't, of course, a human being, and making those connections and advancing and accelerating drug discovery.
And Anthony, what therapeutic programs do you expect, Sema4 and BioSymetrics to focus on initially?
Yeah, I mean, we can focus on any, but in the early stages, we're going to be highly focused on cardiovascular, rare and neurological diseases. I got into this industry because those diseases really gravely affected my family. My mom has Alzheimer's, and really I came from a machine learning background applied to other industries. And really the approach was, could we apply it in this space and really see if we could overcome some unmet needs that are, within the industry still.
And Eric, just, before we wrap things up, perhaps you can just sort of briefly talk through, how this partnership with BioSymetrics aligns with, our larger biopharma strategy.
I think the partnership with BioSymetrics, in combination just makes for a more compelling set of capabilities to partner with pharma around. So from the, a lot of the data we have is well suited for, clinical trial matching, real world evidence, and so on. But for more on the research side, for the drug discovery side, and identifying, prioritizing targets, moving those targets along down the drug discovery pipeline, this partnership with BioSymetrics will significantly enable that, and we think make a more attractive offering to pharma.
Well, that all sounds great. For anyone who's watching, is interested in finding out more information about Sema4 and BioSymetrics' partnership, please go to the Sema4 website and look at the press release in our news section. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Anthony, for joining this video today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Radley.